Slowly. No. You gotta put your chin here. Don't be a chicken. Well, be a...
Playtime with Aiden and Club. Come play with us. Yay! 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 Hi!
Hi!
Welcome to my Aiden and Daddy.
Yay! Just Aiden and Daddy today. Aiden, what are we gonna play today?
I make a pie and freeze.
Pie face with minions. Whoa, is that it?
Whoa.
Okay, let's play. Aiden, are you ready to play?
Yeah!
Yay! We have the whipped cream here, the pie machine here, the spinning thing here. Ready to get started?
Yeah!
Okay, whose turn first?
Aiden!
Aiden, okay, let's see. Alright, let's shake it. Okay, how about? Whoa! You want to eat some? Oh! Is it yummy? You want more? Okay, we'll put it on here, okay?
Okay.
Wow! Whoa! And then, let's go. Okay, you spin first. Spin. 4! Okay, we're gonna play few rounds. Whoever hit the face 5 times loses, okay?
Okay.
So you got 4. Let's see. You do it slowly. 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4! Okay! Daddy turn! So scary!
Oh!
2! Oh no! What? So yucky!
So Daddy clean up.
Yummy! Okay, I guess we're ready for round 2. Aiden first. No,
You cheated.
you gotta spin it. 4. Okay, Aiden 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
Good
okay.
job, Aiden.
Daddy turn. 3. Oh no, so scary. 1, 2, 3.
My turn.
Your turn. 3. Oh, but you got yellow. But this game is still your turn.
1, 2.
Oh no, Aiden.
Was it good?
You like it? Let's put your face. Okay, so Daddy 1 time, Aiden 1 time.
Okay.
Aiden, 2 more.
Daddy turn. Now it's round 3, okay? 4. Oh, so scary. 1. Oh.
Aiden, look at Daddy.
Yummy.
Scream for Daddy.
So yucky. Okay.
Let's do round 4. Let's see who gets it. Go ahead. 2. Oh, yeah. 2. 2. Aiden. 4. This is the last one. That's all we got. So, alright. Let's go round 5. Let's put the whippy on it. And then 5. Oh no. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh god. Okay. 3. You ready? He's scared. You're scared. 5 again. Oh no. Oh no. No. 1. Oh no! I think that was 3 times.
Wait. Round 6. Okay, you go. That's 3, Aiden. You go. You go. Slowly. No. You gotta put your chin here. Don't be a chicken. Well, be a... Look at Aiden. Look at Aiden. He got it. Now we're all tied. 3 and 3.
Okay, round 7.
Round 7. Let's... Ready? Hold on. Round 7. Okay, Daddy go first. Daddy go first. Here. Let's clean you up first then. Oh, so yucky, Aiden. Oh, round 7. Oh.
Daddy turn.
Daddy time. Round 7, okay? 4.
Aiden 4.
Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now it's 8.
Okay. That's
3.
3. Okay. 3. Set. No. You gotta put your chin inside. Don't do like that. Don't cheat. And then you lost
Aiden, can you see? Aiden,
Oh
hello.
God. Aiden, one more, you're gonna lose. Oh, so yucky.
So Daddy 3, Aiden 4.
Okay, then round 8. I think it's Daddy's turn. You wanna play? Your turn or Daddy's turn?
Aiden turn.
Aiden, okay, you spin that. 3. All yours, buddy. Put a chin up, don't cheat.
2, 3.
Okay. Daddy turn. 3. 1, 2. Oh no! We're 4 and 4. Whoever gets hit in the pie next time loses. Alright, this is it. We get super duper a lot of whipped cream. Aiden, are you gonna do first or Daddy do first?
Daddy to first.
Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Aiden, your turn. You spin. 5. Aiden, wait. Oh, wait. Ooh, the whipped cream ball. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5.
Oh, you got saved. Oh, you got saved. Here. Okay, Daddy's turn. 3. 1. Oh! Daddy lost.
Let me get one.
Oh, Aiden got hit. Oh, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of us get pie in the face. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.